Students, now we will begin with second chapter, which is shapes and angles. In this we will learn about different shapes and different angles. Rohini and Mohini are twin sisters. They love doing the same things. One day when they were making the shapes with matchsticks, Shayla gave them a challenge. It means there are two sisters and they love to do same things. But then another girl comes and she gives a challenge to Rohini and Mohini. Rohini will make a shape. Mohini has to make the same without looking at it. But she can ask questions. Oh, that is simple. These are two girls, Rohini and Mohini. They are making shapes. These new girls come, Shayla, and she asks Rohini to make a shape. And Mohini will also have to draw the same shape, but she will not see the shape Rohini has drawn. But she can ask questions about the same. Rohini made this shape. Over here you can see a shape which is made by Rohini with the help of matchsticks. Mohini asked question, is it closed shape or an open shape? Means a closed shape Mohini has drawn or open shape. Then Rohini gives answer that it is closed shape. She asks another question, which is how many sides are there? So you can calculate that there are 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. She gives answer, it has 6 sides. Now Mohini made this shape. Now you give the answers. We have to answer the questions on the basis of this shape. Is it closed shape? So answer will be yes. We will write yes over here. Does it have 6 sides? So we will count and write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So answer will be yes, it has 6 sides. Next one. But it is not the same as the one made by Rohini. You can see shape made by Rohini and shape made by Mohini. Both of these are not same, they are different. So Mohini tried again. Now Mohini tried again and made this shape. Now next question. The new shape made by Mohini is closed shape with 6 sides. So you can check and answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 sides as well as this is closed shape. So we will write yes. The shape made by Mohini is same as the one made by Rohini. So answer will be no. They both are different shape. Is there some way to say in what way these shapes are different? So answer will be yes. In this shape, two matchsticks intersect at one point, while in this shape, two matchstick does not intersect at one point. This is just for explanation. You don't need to write this question. You have to write this 1, 2 and from this page 3, 4. No need to write this 5 and 6. Next question. Mohini tried again but got different shapes. Guess and make 2 more shapes Mohini could have made. Now you can guess by your own self and make 2 more shapes which must be closed and which must have 6 sides. You can draw it in CW if you need, but there is no compulsion for the same. Mohini is now tired of trying and asks Shayla what to do. Now Mohini is tired and she asks Shayla what to do. If you ask for the angles that the matchsticks can make at corners, you can do it. Oh, so let us look for the angles. Now Shayla gives idea that you can ask for angles and in this way you can make shapes. Look at the angles marked in this shape. Can you see the difference? See, this is the shape made by Rohini. In this shape, you can see that all the angles are of same. All the angles are of same. While in the shapes made by Mohini, this one is bigger angle, This one is smallest one and these three are smaller ones. And in this shape, these two angles are bigger one. These two angles are of same measurement. So this is the difference. See how the matchsticks make a small angle, a big angle and a bigger angle. You can see over here there are three types of angle given: small, big and bigger. Wow, when the angle changes, the shape changes so much. It means if we change the angle, the shape will change, and if we change the shape, angle will change. Moving to page number 18, practice time. You have to write this in CW as well as in textbook. Look at the shape and answer. The angle marked in dash color is the biggest angle. So answer will be angle marked in all the colors is the biggest angle. It means all the angles are of same measurement. Next one. Are the angles marked with yellow equal? You can see two angles over here marked with yellow. Are they equal? So answer will be yes. Are the angles marked with green equal? You can see two angles marked with green. Are they equal? So answer will be yes. Are the angles marked with blue equal? The angles which are marked with blue line are equal. So answer will be yes, they are also equal. Four different angles are marked in four colors. Can you find other angles which are same as the one marked in red? Mark them in red. Do this for other colors. See, there are few angles which are marked. We have one yellow over here and one yellow over here. These both are same angle. Can you mark such other angles? We have red and blue. We need to find out angle for red which is same as red and blue. See, these two shapes are similar. So this is the angle marked with red and this will be similar to that. So we are marking, and you have to mark with red color. I am writing red over here. This one is the angle marked with black, and over here you can see both the shapes are same. So you have to mark this and mark this with blue colored pen. Now you can see both of these shapes are same. This angle is marked with yellow as well as green. So you have to mark this angle with green. These are certain angles we found of same measurements. You can you have to write it in CW as well as in textbook. This is question number 4. How many different shapes can you make by changing the angle between the matchsticks in each of these? Try. This shape is made from 4 matchsticks, this from 8, this from 5, this from 7, and this is from 10 matchsticks. You have to draw one shape each. See, for 4 matchsticks, I am drawing one shape. This is the shape made from 4 matchsticks. You can also draw a shape like this with the help of 4 matchsticks. In the same way, you can draw shapes with the help of this matchsticks. You have to draw this in CW by your own self. Page number 20. Angle tester. How do we make equal angles? Let us make an angle tester. You also have an angle tester in your geometry box. It is called divider. This instrument in your geometry box is called as divider, and you can measure the angles with the help of this instrument. This is just an example. You are not supposed to perform this at home. You don't need to perform. Cut two strips from cardboard sheet. Fix them with a drawing pin or this mark such that both the strips can move around easily. This is the shape, two strips, and so this can move shape. Rohini and Mohini went all around with the angle tester to look for different angles in their class. Rohini tested the angle of maths book and the pencil box. This is handmade angle tester and this is just an example. You don't need to do this and there is no much explanation needed in this thing. Now moving to page number 21. Go around with your tester and draw here those things in which the tester opens like letter L. Are you sure they are all the right angles? Now no need to perform this activity also.